Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to leave a review on Upwork. So this is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're working with a freelancer and you really like the work that they've been doing. It would help them out incredibly if you actually go ahead and leave them a review. So with that being said, there's not going to be a lot of steps involved, guys. Be sure to stick around all the way until the end. Now the first thing that we're going to do is click on messages up here and then find the message window in which you're working with your freelancer. So here I'm working with Amam. Next, click on View Contract, and then from here, you want to click on these three dots on the upper right hand corner. And then so from here, you're actually going to see an option to give feedback. Okay, it's going to be above this button here called End Contract. So let me actually show you what that looks like using a different contractor. But once you leave feedback, this is the feedback that I left for Imam. I gave him 5 stars, and then I wrote, he's been fabulous to work with, would highly recommend him as your main video editor. But if we actually go ahead and let's actually work with Solomon. So same thing, you would just click on View Contract, and then from here, you would click on these 3 dots on the upper right hand side, and then click on Give Feedback. So once you click on Give Feedback, you're gonna be redirected to this page here, where this is the public feedback. And so with that, you can only give feedback once every 30 days on active contracts. So if I want to give them all 5 stars, the total score would be 5 stars, and then you can share your experience with this freelancer to the Upwork community. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and leave a review on Upwork. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys on the next video.